We've seen a large amount of objective-based fund or flexible fund launches since the GFC. That's been an industry response to the severe drawdown suffered by traditional strategic asset allocation funds, or SAA funds. For a lot of investors, these goal-based strategies really resonate, but it's important to analyse their success. And this article focuses on providing that framework. And it examines, one, whether the objective-based funds have delivered on their objectives, or whether investors would have been better off sticking with their traditional static SAA-style funds. We focused on three things: return, volatility, and risk-adjusted returns, or Sharpe ratio. We then used that universe and connected the SAA fund categories with the appropriate flexible strategy based on a return objective. We then use that to compare like for like both the return and risk of both types of strategies. Firstly, the flexible strategies in the balanced and growth categories delivered better outcomes than their SAA peers. Conversely, the more aggressive flexible strategies didn't have the same Sharpe ratio success. And what we've observed is that a lot of those more aggressive strategies have been positioning more conservatively. And the last 3 years in the market environment hasn't rewarded more defensive positioning. But it's important to remember that given these short histories of a lot of these flexible strategies, they have yet to be tested over a full market cycle. So we can't really presume that they will have the same results moving forward in what is generally expected to be a more volatile environment. At Morningstar, we hold fund managers accountable for achieving the returns that they promise to their investors. As more and more of these flexible strategies accrue longer track records, we'll continue to analyse real return funds into the future.
Any advice in this video is general advice prepared by Morningstar without reference to your financial objectives, situation, or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest.